here we got the two-stage upgrade kit for Samsung external filters. So basically, if you've got a Samsung fridge, but you're finding that the actual filter is clogging quite quickly, and more this is becoming the case, especially in areas like Gauteng and the Western Cape, where they're often doing maintenance on the pipes, then it includes a inline sediment filter, which you just fit before the Samsung external fridge filter, and this will give you a longer lifespan in terms of dirt on the Samsung filter as you're removing all of that onto the sediment filter here. The nice thing, the Samsung does come with two brackets, so you just use the brackets provided in the Samsung kit and then simply connect from the inline sediment filter through to the Samsung filter. Note that this double kit will give you a higher capacity for dirt. You still won't have anything to block bacteria. If you're looking to block bacteria, have a look at our triple upgrade kit, which then includes an ultrafiltration membrane as a physical barrier for bacteria. But this basically dramatically improves the quality of filtration that you would have behind your fridge and giving you a nicer, cleaner water.